Okay, I assigned you 13, 17, 21, 23, and 33. We did 13 in class. 17 and 21 are completely straightforward, and if you are at all stumped, please flip to the back of the book and read the answer and let it sink in, because those are really important ideas. But once you read the answer in the back of the book, you should be able to say, okay, that makes sense. 23 and 25 both have to do with car repairs. So the first step in doing these thoroughly is to write out what you're going to let all your notations mean. So the question said, a consumer organization estimates that over a 1-year period, 17% of cars will need to be repaired once, 7% will need repairs twice, and only 4% will require 3 or more repairs. What's the probability that a car chosen at random will need no repairs? Well, we know the probability of 1 repair. We know the probability of 2 repairs. We know the probability of 3 or more repairs. So no repairs means none of those events happened. And it's the complement to any of those events happening. So the probability of some repairs is equal to the probability of this plus the probability of 2 plus the probability of 3. And so we have to add those up. 17% plus 7% plus 4% equals 28%. And you should show all your work. And so no repairs is the complement of this. So the probability of no repairs is equal to 1 minus the probability of some repairs. You should write your words out. And so 1 minus 0.28 is 72% chance of having no repairs. B asks, no more than 1. Well, no more than 1 means that none happened, or, so no more than 1 is the probability of none, or, and the symbol for or is this, so let's just go ahead and put it all in our 1 parentheses here, the probability of no repairs or the probability of 1 repair. Whenever you use the word or, that's addition. So we know the probability of no repairs. We're going to add to that the probability of 1 repair, which was 17%. Plug it in and get your answer and check it in the back of the book. C says some repairs. Well, we already had to calculate that to do this one. The probability of some repairs is the probability of 1 repair, or, which means we add the probability of 2 repairs, or, which means we add the probability of 3 or more repairs, and that was 28%. We did that already. 25 continues this. 25A, we want to know that, oh, you've got 2 cars now. So if you have 2 cars, what is the probability that neither will need repaired? We have the probability of no repairs. The probability of no repairs is 72%. But now we have 2 cars, and so we've got to take car 1 and car 2. So, let me erase this. 25C is the probability of no repairs, car 1, and no repairs, car 2. Whenever we use that word and, you've got to multiply. So we take the probability of no repairs on car 1 and the probability of no repairs on car 2, and you can plug those into your calculator and check the answer in the back of the book. B, both will need repair. Well, we know the probability of some repair. So we take the probability that car 1, this is 25B. We know the probability of some repair. So if they both need repairs, that means that we take the probability that car 1 needs repair and car 2 needs repair. Whenever we say 1 and 2, we're going to multiply those. So take 0.28 times 0.28 and check your answer in the back of the book. Let me check it too. Seems like that's going to be a pretty small number. Yes, I got 0.0784, and you should too. At least one car will need repair. That's a complement to something. Think about it before I tell you the answer. At least one car will need repair. That's the complement to something on the board already. Oh, that I already erased. If at least one car needs repair, that's the complement to neither car needing repaired. So the probability of neither car needing repaired from A, if you checked your answer, you should have gotten 0.5184. So the probability of at least one car needing repair is equal to 1 minus the probability of no repairs. So that's equal to 1 minus 0.51 something something 84, and you can finish that. Good job.